Hello viewers, welcome back to another section of my tutorial, and in this video I have an algebra tutorials here. So it's saying that let m to be equal to m1, m2 and n to be n1 and n2 be 2 points in the Cartesian coordinate system 0, 1, 0 ijs. It said express u to be equal to mn, that is vector mn, then v vector mo minus 2on, then w mn vector mn plus 2 nm plus on minus vector oi plus 3ij in terms of oi and oj. So this is a vector question, and kindly watch this video to the end as I take you through this question. So write my solution. I'm going to get this. So let's see how we're going to solve this. Already we are going to move straight to express u. So first, our u is equal to vector mn, and you know that this is the same as on minus what? Om, like this. So once I get this, my on n1 n2 minus om m1 m2, which will give me n1 minus m1 n2 minus m2. And it said express it in terms of oi and oj, meaning in terms of I and j. So this will be equal to n1 minus m1 I plus m n2 n2 minus m2 j. Nicely. So once I get this, I'm done for the u. Let's go to the v. The v is saying that we should find mo minus 2on, like this, which will be equal to my mo. Now mo means from m to the origin, and that will be negative of om minus 2on. So this will be negative the expression m1 m2 minus 2 times n1 n2, and this is going to give me, you just take the top first, negative m1 minus 2n1, then negative m2 minus 2n2. So this will be written in I and j as negative m1 minus 2n1 I plus negative m2 minus 2n2 j as for v. Now let's finally go to the w and see what we get. So w is saying that we should get mn plus 2nm plus on minus oi, then plus 3ij, like this. So from the question, I have mn, I've solved it in my first place. I have nm, that is negative of that. I have on. Now what is oi? We know that oi is simply the I and j. So here we are dealing in oi system. For that reason, I'm going to get 1, I is 1 0, like that. Then my 3ij is simply equal to, now let me take the 3 out. If you have ij as a vector, it's the same as oj minus what? Oi, like this. So 3 open brackets, my oj is the same as 0 1 minus 1 0 oi, like that. So what do I get here? I'm going to get, this will give me negative 3, this will give me 3. So therefore I make my substitution. My w is simply equal to my mn I got in the first place, my n1 minus m1, then n2 minus what? m2 plus 2 multiplying negative of this, n1 minus m1 n2 minus m2, and like this. Then after I go to plus on is the same as the n coordinates, n1 n2 plus n1 n2 minus my oi, which is 1 0, then finally plus negative 3 3 as I have. I'm going to take the top one separately. So w equal to n1 minus m1 minus 2n1 plus 2m1 plus n1 minus 1 minus 3. Then the down will give me n2 minus m2 minus 2n2 plus 2m2 plus n2 minus 0 plus 3 as my 2. Then I come down to simplify this and get W to be equal to this expression. I have N1, 2N1, and that will cancel these 2N1, negative 2N1 here. So I'll be left with negative M plus negative M1 plus 2M1 here, then minus 4, like that. Then the down one, I have 2N2, 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 then negative 2N2 will cancel out. Then I have negative M2, 2M2, so that will give me M2 minus 3. I'll come down and my W is simply equal to M1 minus 4, M2 minus 3, which is going to give me M1 minus 4I plus M2 minus 3J. That is the result for this algebra question. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, since I'm going to post interesting videos like this. Thank you.